Definition of a cadaver. A cadaver is a dead human body used for medical education and scientific research. Importance of cadavers in anatomy education. Cadavers play a crucial role in the study of human anatomy. They provide students with hands-on experience in understanding 1. The exact location of organs and structures, 2. Relationships between muscles, nerves, vessels, and bones, 3. Variations in human anatomy, 4. Practical dissection skills. Studying cadavers helps medical students develop clinical understanding needed for surgery, radiology, and other medical specialties. Preservation of cadavers. Cadavers used in anatomy laboratories are preserved to prevent decomposition. The most common preservation methods include 1. Formalin embalming. The body is injected with a solution containing formaldehyde, formalin. This solution preserves tissues by preventing bacterial growth. The cadaver becomes firm and can be stored for long periods. 2. Teal embalming, a modern preservation technique that maintains flexibility and natural color of tissues, often used for surgical training. 3. Plastination, a special process developed by Gunther von Hagens. Water and lipids in tissues are replaced with polymers, produces dry, odorless, long-lasting specimens. Anatomy laboratory environment. A typical anatomy laboratory includes 1. Dissection tables where cadavers are placed. 2. Ventilation systems to reduce exposure to formalin vapors. 3. Dissection instruments such as scalpels, forceps, scissors, and probes. 4. Protective equipment including gloves, masks, and lab coats. 5. Specimen storage tanks for preserved bodies. Cadavers are usually covered with cloth or plastic sheets when not in use to maintain dignity and preservation. Educational use of cadavers. Cadavers are used to study multiple systems of the body, such as musculoskeletal system, nervous system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, digestive system. Students perform step-by-step dissections to expose layers of the body including skin, fascia, muscles, nerves, vessels, and internal organs. Limitations of cadaver study. Although cadaveric dissection is invaluable, it has some limitations. 1. Preserved tissues may differ from living tissues. 2. No blood circulation or physiological movement. 3. Limited availability in some institutions. Therefore, cadaver study is often complemented with imaging techniques like magnetic resonance imaging and computed tomography. The human anatomy lab cadaver is one of the most important resources in medical education. Through cadaveric dissection, students gain a deep understanding of human body structure, anatomical relationships, and surgical orientation. Cadavers represent the generosity of donors who contribute to the training of future healthcare professionals and the advancement of medical science.